Anna Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, Eke Nakige Kos, Kiamesa Yamangana Amayia. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwanjito mulgeria obwigeta sengen Soko TV ni golireria bali na wika Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiavo no mugaso chinga kina kwariganiria Amayia asentra yo wenge karanso ikerio nyore bunanyareka wateka kurwa chensemo onyore buna butambe asemtanda yetu ya kirero nigo kwinyora bunen Soko TV wika sensemo ya YouTube iro nyarego kwimanya hegatiaria atikire buna butambe nchengoro kodeana ndemo nandi nigo kwarigania semesema ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere. Mwanjito mulgeria togochaka bene kurwa ase county ya Nyamira nigaborokia ba ECD kurwa ase county ya USO kire na kwemurugariria serikali hasogotabaikirania engere yabo sibatebire bunaniga serikali yabaiteira yokubamenta engeria kurende gwikira boniga nigo etarabamenta nonya nabo nigo barireira yo guchikwene kyabona kwenda bare umugiro nabo igoti bari guchikunyara bagwikirana ase mirebe yabo onyeira yabo tiri guchikunyara kegwikiranirwa.
Word as we stand here is about SRC. We've made major interventions tumetembea hizi ofisi zote katika hii county ya Nyamira, but ni kama maneno yetu yameambulia patupu. Sasa tunaomba county government of Nyamira, tumewapea hizo siku ambazo tumesema muweze kurudi kwa drawing board mrekebisha haya maneno, kwa sababu hatutakubali kila mwezi lazima tupoteze mwalimu, na hii ni kwa ajili ya stress.
Ninashangaa sana kwa sababu kuajiriwa kwetu ni yule ambaye ameajiriwa permanent and pensionable. Lakini mshahara wetu tunalipwa ni base, special salary. Sasa nashangaa ni mfanyakazi yupi anayeajiriwa permanent and pensionable na analipwa special salary. Kama hawawezi fanya vile tunataka, mgomo tunaitisha kuanzia wiki ijayo. Tunawapea siku 7 peke yake tuitishe mgomo wa kufanya ili we force them watulipe kulingana na SRC.
SRC ilipitisha kwamba mwajiri wa chini apate kulipwa 23,000 ikiwa ndio mshahara wa chini. Lakini kaunti yetu ya Nyamira inashangaza kwamba mwalimu wa chekechea analipwa shilingi 14,000 peke yake, na ili hali tunaamkia kazi na wale watoto wachanga. Unajua vile wanavyosumbua, lakini sisi tumevumilia hii miaka yote, tumeajiliwa miaka karibu
Mwanjito mulgeria togosuka mutweni wa mawaziri bwoboncholia bakoboke moske with proof of paranya nerarire guchia asaba nimibeke merigie kawa huna serikali nebegetemero birio yo guchikwene kyabuna nechigo kinya ebirengo usekerengo gekemerie kige kawa satebire buna balimi bonse wono nigo barachikunyora chibese kiranyale chiko bakonya na ni chibese icho chire chinginya uchi asaba nimibeke meri gekawa.
The bill has passed through the National Assembly. It has also passed through the Senate. And now it is at the mediation stage in the National Assembly. And according to the mediation regulations, in 60 days, that mediation should have been resolved. And we are hopeful that this particular bill should be enacted by September.
Coffee was doing so well when we were doing 150,000 metric tons. We are doing so well until our own leaders, our own cooperative leaders, decided they want something called a coffee liberalization. For them to liberalize kahawa iwe soko huru, iwe soko huru kabisa. But I really want to thank those counties who have revived their cooperative unions.
Kahawa ikiibiwa, don't go for the small fish. Grab the directors, weka kahawa ndani. Na hiyo kabisa. Nasema hivi kwa nini waziri? Kwa sababu itakuwa vipi kahawa imeenda imewekwa kwenye store. Kahawa nyingi. Na wanajua kwamba kahawa ni dhahabu, ni dola hii. Alafu wananyamaza, alafu anakwenda kumnyorosha watchman viboko, alafu anachukua kahawa, alafu anapiga king'ora kahawa imeibiwa.
Nabaigo muraibense umeranire nababundi ao bajwa kare hasi nyumba y'uburai hasalire ira unanachikwenekia kubarosera ikiciro ao meyense eribanyare bakonia ebintu byabo asabo igatebire nachikoba kisemi nabaigo kobanchira banyole certificate cyabo kira chikobanchira benyorere mirimo burenchira yemo yo kwenyorere bitoki.
Nitahakikisha ya kwamba kila Mkenya anashughulikiwa. Wale walio chini ambao hawana kazi, wale ambao wanahitaji mahali pa kufanya biashara, wanahitaji mahali ya kuuza pale kwenye soko, wale wanahitaji workshop kama nyinyi mafundi, pia tutawapangia workshop ndio biashara yenu iendelee na mchangie katika kuendesha taifa letu la Kenya mbele. Mafundi hoye! Jambo la pili, hawa viongozi wenu wamenieleza, wameniambia ya kwamba kuna mafundi wengi ambao hawana certificate. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Watu ambao ni wa kujituma walianza pale, wakawa ni mtu ya kutumwa, lete spana, lete so, lete nyundo, lete msumari, akajifunza pole pole, sasa ni fundi lakini hana certificate. Mkaniambia ya kwamba nipange vile nyinyi ambao mmejua ni mafundi lakini hamuna certificate, nipange vile mtapata certificate. Sasa munisikize kwa makini. Mafundi munisikize kwa makini. Tunaelewana? Tuko na mpango ya serikali ambayo tayari tuko na pesa yake. Kama wewe ni fundi uko hapa, kama wewe ni fundi unanisikiza mahali popote Kenya, wewe tayari uko na taaluma ya ufundi lakini hauna certificate, sisi tuko tayari na tayari tumefungua mtandao ili nyinyi mujiandikishe, na serikali ya Kenya itakulipia wewe gharama ya kupata certificate na tutakupatia certificate.
Nabaigo mwanchito murigeria mwazere bwoberendi bwa imeki chumba murkomen hitskoria lero nere nigaraire okohena no webodi ya national accreditation heyo nigera chikwene kiabuna kubekero bolendi gosegotinge bolendi meyense ya Kenya nabaigo gokoro butuki buna chinchira chiekerero satebire boigo tari gochwanchira mu bigonde bwense agende guturbania emolembe meyense ya Kenya ngimono chinga kichemesangerekano asiboigarire ira yochikwene kiabuna omolembe no chikwene kiwa imeyense.
There's nothing secret about policing. Everything that the National Police Service does is done in the open, whether investigations, whether it is transfer of officers, whether it's disciplinary process. So there is nothing private or secret that someone can go out there and say, I receive intelligence or I receive private. Everything we do is open and it's for the people of Kenya, including criminals and wayward people and impeached people. All of them deserve to be treated and served by people of Kenya openly. So there is no non-driver wage between police officers and from one community to the other, just to appear to be receiving clandestine information. There's nothing clandestine. Everything we do it openly. and every Kenyan deserves to know what is being done in Kenya and being done openly. The question of goons, which has become a subject, I must assure the people of Kenya that this issue of goons and goonism is not as bad as being exaggerated. It's actually hyped around politics and politicians. And all these politicians have had bouncers, bodyguards, so-called bodyguards in quotes, that have from time to time get converted to goons. The fear the police had that if they deal with these criminals, they don't have public support, is now behind us. Deal with these goons ruthlessly, because now we have public support from all quarters, including the religious sector that was shielding these goons in churches and calling them our children. I'm happy that there is a national consensus that this issue of goons must be dealt with. We now want to have a national consensus with politicians that, regardless of your political side, when we deal with goons, don't come out and say that I'm a member of this political party, I'm of government, or so forth. The Inspector General of Police is properly directed from a policy perspective to ensure that all these people are dealt with ruthlessly, to ensure that this country.
Manjito murigeria katokwanera obulendi mensi ya Kenya boigo umurai wikanisa Jackson Elisapiti nere nigaburiria barai kwenekya bona kurigereria bare amangana y'obulendi mensi ya Kenya nabego koirira egetambokero igatie yemero biryo gose egatie yabali babiri baguturubania emesangerekano angemone ya bwangoiga eyaberege korekana ase Chinsemo chichikanisa.
I want to thank the government. The National Aviation Security Committee met and decided that it was time sanity was restored at Wilson. They directed KAA through a letter to take steps, one, to set up a terminal, and two, to establish a central screening point so that KAA can take the responsibility of screening all the passengers, all the staff working at Wilson Airport, all the cargo, luggages, and whatever. And then they can now have that visibility. They can be accountable over everything that happens there. Our surprise is KAA is dragging its feet when it comes to that. They have no appetite, even after being instructed by the government. And as a union,
those words without action will not help and will not build public confidence. But no case has ever been heard in court. No response has been given to us. Is that we do not only want to see goons arrested, we want to see the honor of the goons displayed, and we need to be told who and what intention they had in attacking the church. That needed, and Kenyans are waiting, is an apprehension of those people who are hooded in Prados, who were displayed in broad daylight. And the follow-up of the Albert Ojwang case, that we need to see the apprehension of those who are perpetrators and those who are the planners of it. That will restore public confidence. The question I asked then, who is now in charge of law and order in Kenya? Is it the goons or the police? Even after the attack of the cathedral, we have seen, it has not diminished, it has heightened. It has been like hyped. It's going to another level. That the culture of goonism that is taking root in Kenya will not give us the desires and the dreams that we have for Kenya. It will not result in a better Kenya. It will degenerate Kenya into a place of hopelessness and despair.
Mwanjito murigeria abakora emirimo ase ebitibie chindege mense nigo baboria serikali nabiga barayibali babatenerete kwenekya buna gocha bari gutingia oburendi ase Chinsemo icho ase bago baborire serikali kwenekya buna ngweswaniere eribanyare bagwikiraniwa engere yabo.
Those words without action will not help and will not build.
I want to thank the government. The National Aviation Security Committee met and decided that it was time sanity was restored at Wilson, they directed KAA through a letter to take steps, one, to set up a terminal, and two, to establish a central screening point so that KAA can take the responsibility of screening all the passengers, all the staff working at Wilson Airport, all the cargo, luggages, and whatever. And then they can now have that visibility. They can be accountable over everything that happens there. Our surprise is KAA is dragging its feet when it comes to that. They have no appetite, even after being instructed by the government. And as a union, as employees, and as Kenyans, patriotic Kenyans, we are now coming out and we are saying you have to restore sanity at Wilson Airport. In any case, if something was to happen, if an incident was to happen, it will not just affect COW members. The impact, the consequences will go far beyond the interests of COW. It can even hurt the standing of this country. It can hurt the standing of the aviation sector in Kenya. It can hurt the tourism, which is a critical segment in this country. Because of that, we are saying, KAA, stop dragging your feet. Take immediate steps, set up a terminal, establish a central screening point, let KAA be responsible for the running, the management, and the security at Wilson Airport.
Na gwikira gwo manchito murigeria wigitasengia Soko TV no kutera Amayia Chinsa Isano Ibere chia bono mugasokore nchikora Chinsa 10 no inyara yanda mange nabego ensemo ya murango bara Chinsa isato chemargoba no inyara sogwagare kuro asaba sakwe to manchito murigeria kunira simono yenda kwegokya nemero bireta sigitasengia tugen Soko TV kuna butamenche ngoro kwa Diana Ndemo tuwabwatirana na director Lucy nabego director Joshua kwenekia muna Mario gine chibicha kuikirara Central yobekirana.